Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we have studied intercept of a line and various form of a straight line. Now, in this lecture, we are solving some problems. First is a find the equation of a line having inclination 2 pi radian divided by 3 and passing through point 3 4. Here having inclination means make it angle 3 pi by 2 pi by 3 passing through point 3 4 means theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. Here pi means 180, so 2 multiplied by 180 means 360 divided by 3, so 360 divided by 3 means 120. And point is a is a point, we take a is a point 3 4 means a is a x1 y1 is a 3 and 4, x1 is 3 and y1 is 4. So we know that slope of m means slope of that point line, slope of m is equal to tan theta. Here theta is a 120, so this 20 we can also write at 180 minus 60 degree. We know that tan 180 minus tan theta is equal to minus tan theta. So we write here theta here 60, so tan 60. We know that tan 60 value is under root 3, so minus under root 3, m is equal to minus under root 3. Equation of line in slope point form. In the last lecture we have studied slope point form. So this is the equation of slope point form. Y minus y1 is equal to m multiplied by x minus x1. Now here y1 and x1 we are giving the point and m is the slope, that is a minus under root 3. We are putting the value y minus 4 is equal to minus under root 3 x minus 3. Now here under root 3 multiplied by x and minus 3, so minus under root 3x plus 3 under root x. Now these are whole term going this side, opposite side, so here under root minus under root 3x plus हो जाएगा and 3 under root 3 minus, so we get this equation under root 3x plus y minus 4 minus 3 under root 3 is equal to 0. In that one we can also write minus sign, take common minus, so 4 plus under root 3 is equal to 0, means under root 3x plus y minus 4 plus under root 3 under root 3 is equal to 0. Equation of line having inclination to pi by 3 and passing through point this is equation of line under root 3x plus y minus 4 plus 3 under root 3 is equal to 0. Second example, find the equation of a straight line passing through a point 4 6 8 minus 3 and find the length intercepted between the coordinate axes. Here to find straight line, equation of a straight line find करनी है. Passing through point, 2 points are given and find also length intercepting between the coordinate axes. हमको equation find करना है and उसका length find करना है. So now giving point 2 points a and b, a is a x1 y1 and b is a x2 y2, that is minus 4 6 8 minus 3. Equation of a line AB is 2-point form. Now we are using 2-point form, that is this y minus y1 divided by y1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x1 minus x2. Now we are putting x1 and x2 and y1 and y2 values. Here y minus 6 divided by 6 minus minus 3, because here y2 is minus 3, x minus minus 4 minus 4 minus 8. Now minus minus plus, so 6 plus 3 is 9. Here minus 4 and minus 8, so we take here addition but get minus sign, minus 12. Now here 9 are divided by, so going opposite side, so 9 multiply करेगा, so 9 divided by 12 x plus 4. Now divided by 3, so 3, and here 3 divided by 12 means 4, so minus 3 by 4 x plus 4. So now 4 are here divided by, divide कर रहा है तो उधर जाके multiply करेगा. So now 4 multiply by y and 4 multiply by 6 also. Here minus 3 multiply by x and minus 3 multiply by 4. So 4 by minus 24 minus 3x minus 12. Now these both are minus, going opposite side they get plus, so plus 3x minus 4y, sorry, here is a plus 4y because here plus minus 24 plus 12. Now here minus 24 plus 12 means they get answer minus 12 is equal to 0. This is a required equation of a line. अब हमको distance find करना है. So first we finding intersection of x and y. Intercept find करेंगे, बाद में उसका distance find करेंगे. So for x intersection, putting y is equal to 0 in equation number 1. So 3x plus 0 minus 12 is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to 12. This is a minus, so going this side 12. X is equal to 12 by 3. ये पता है हमको अभी 12 by 3 कैसा है, because of 3 here multiply by x, going opposite side, so 12 divided by 3. So x is equal to 4. So x intercept is equal to 4 unit. Now y intercept, put x is equal to 0 in equation number 1, mean this. So 0 plus 4y is equal minus 12 is equal to 0. So minus 12 here minus, going opposite side, so get plus, and 4 here multiply by y, so going opposite side divided, so y is equal to 12 by 4, that is 3. Y intercept is equal to 3 unit. Let A 4 0 be the point where the line cut x-axis and B 0 3 be the point where the line cut y-axis. Let intercept between coordinate axis is given by distance AB. हमको distance find करना है A and B का, तो distance AB is equal to under root 0 minus 4 square and 3 minus 0 square, means A and B का square. 0 minus 4A means 0 minus 4A. We are using these 2 points by using distance formula. Now here 4 square plus 3 square, 16 plus 9 means 25 is equal to 5 unit. Now length intercepting between coordinates axis is 5 unit. Now next example, 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0, 4x plus 6y plus 2 is equal to 0 are two straight line. There are two straight line. They are parallel to each other. This is a question mark, means these two lines are parallel or not. वो हमको प्रूफ करना है. पैरेलल कब होंगे, जब दोनों का स्लोप इक्वल आएगा तब वो लाइन पैरेलल होंगे. स्लोप इक्वल होगा तभी वो पैरेलल होंगे. नाउ टू फाइंड द बोथ ऑफ स्लोप. नाउ इक्वेशन गिवन इक्वेशन of line 1 is L1 means 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0, means slope of line L1 means m1 is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Here coefficient of x is 2 and coefficient of y is 3, so minus 2 by 3. So m1 is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now equation of a line 2 is L2 is equal to 4x plus 6y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now slope of line 2 means m2 is here, coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Here coefficient of x is 4 and y is 6, so 4 by 6 minus 4 by 6, so obviously 2 by 3 because 2 to the 4 and 2 to 3 the 6, so minus 2 by 3. Here since m1 and m2 are minus 2 by 3 because here m value is m1 and m2 value is minus 2 by 3. So line L1 and L2 are parallel because only parallel lines have a equal slope. जब उस इक्वल स्लोप हो गए तभी वो पैरेलल होंगे. सो लाइन these and line these are parallel to each other. Prove that 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 6 are perpendicular. अभी हमको ये perpendicular दिखने. Perpendicular means slope of one line multiplied by slope of another line is equal to minus 1 means m1 multiplied by m2 is equal to minus 1. जब इन दोनों का स्लोप का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे तो माइनस 1 आना चाहिए, तभी वो दोनों लाइन perpendicular each other होगी. No. Solve करते हैं. Given equation of a line 1 means this equation L1 is equal to 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. Slope of a line m1 means minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y means minus here 3 and 2, so minus 3 by 2. Now equation of a line 2 is a L2, so 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. So slope of line L2 means m2 is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. So minus 2 by minus 3. So minus minus get cancel. 2 by 3. Now consider we know that कि m1 multiply by m2 is equal to minus 1 आया तो भी वो perpendicular है. Now to check it, m1 multiply by m2, here m1 is minus 3 by 2 multiply by 2 by 1 means m2 is 2 by 3. So here 2 get cancel and here 3 get cancel. So only minus sign. So minus 1. So m1 multiplied by m2 is minus 1. Condition of a perpendicular line is satisfy. वो satisfy कर रही है इसलिए वो two lines are perpendicular each other. Means this and this line are perpendicular to each other. Now find k if the line x minus ky is equal to 4 is a perpendicular to line 4x plus k minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. They are perpendicular means इसका स्लोप मल्टीप्लाई बाय इसका स्लोप इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 है, ये दिया हुआ है बिकॉज दे आर से परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर. इसका स्लोप फाइंड करेंगे, इसका स्लोप फाइंड करेंगे, सो उसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन माइनस 1 होगा. सो उसको यूज करके हम k की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. नो two lines are perpendicular, so if the product of their slope are minus 1, we know that m1 multiplied by m2 is equal to minus 1. Now equation of a line 1 is L1 x minus ky is equal to 4. That equation number 1. Slope of L1 means m1 is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y is equal to minus divided by minus k means minus minus get, so 1 by k. Now equation of line 2 L2 is 4x plus k minus 3 y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now slope of L2 means m2 is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Here coefficient of x is 4 and coefficient of y is k minus 3, so minus 4 by 4 divided by k plus 3. Now since line are perpendicular each other, so m1 multiplied by m2 is equal to minus 1. Now we will be putting the value of m1 and m2 here. 1 by k multiplied by minus 4 divided by k minus 3. Now these are divided by these minus 4, so going opposite side, so they are multiplied. So minus 4 is equal to minus 1 multiplied by k minus 3. Now we multiply by minus sign, so they are minus minus plus, and here also minus minus plus, so plus 4 plus k multiplied by k is k square and k multiplied by 3 is minus 3. Now अभी हमको ये सेपरेट करना है, मीन्स ये सेपरेट करेंगे हम भाई. Here 4r plus, so going opposite side to get negative, so k square minus 3k minus 4 is equal to 0. अभी हमको ये इक्वेशन सेपरेट करनी है. सो कैसे सेपरेट करेंगे? बाय फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. जो हमको वैल्यू चाहिए 4, सो 4 को हम सेपरेट करेंगे. 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 वैल्यू 4 आती है 4, और माइनस 3 चाहिए, सो सो 4 माइनस 1 करेंगे तो 3 आएगी, पर हमको -3 वैल्यू चाहिए. सो -4 एंड +1 गिव्स -3. -3. सो वी टेक हियर k² प्लस k -4k -4. इसका एडिशन किया तो क्या आएगा, -3 आएगा. k एंड -4k का एडिशन क्या आएगा, -3. सो दैट इज सेम. नाउ in this one k common and k plus 1, and in this equation -4 common, so k plus 1. Now here we take common k plus 1, that is here, and remaining part is k minus 4, that is here. Now k plus 1 is equal to 0 or k minus 4 is equal to 0. Here two values are given. अभी हमको टू वैल्यू मिल गई. k plus 1 is equal to 0 and k minus 4 is equal to 0. Here k is equal to -1 and here k is equal to 4. k की वैल्यू हमने फाइंड की. k is equal to -1 and k is equal to 4 by using factorization method. ये भी इधर हमने factorization method यूज किया. then gives k is equal to -1 and k is equal to 4. Now next, find the equation of a parallel line to 3k minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0 and passing through point 5 minus 3. अभी find the parallel equation, पैरेलल लाइन का इक्वेशन फाइंड करना है. एक लाइन दी हुई है और अनदर लाइन हमको फाइंड करनी है, वो पैरेलल है इस लाइन से बाय यूजिंग वन पॉइंट. सो दिस इज द लाइन 3x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. These are a line, and this is the another line. This is the parallel to this line. So हमको ये लाइन फाइंड करने मीन्स रिक्वायर्ड लाइन, हमको ये चाहिए लाइन. सो we called required line, and here A is a point on that line 5 minus 6. Now slope of a line, अभी हम इस लाइन का स्लोप फाइंड करेंगे. Slope of a line is equal to m is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y, that is a -3 divided by -2, because of y is a -2, so minus minus get cancelled, 3/2. m is equal to 3/2. Since required line is a parallel to line 1, so ये required line parallel है. So by using parallel line, so their slope are also same. दोनों पैरेलल होंगी तो उसका स्लोप भी सेम रहेगा. सो स्लोप ऑफ अ रिक्वायर्ड लाइन इज अ 3/2, मीन्स इसका इस लाइन का स्लोप भी 3/2 ही आएगा, बिकॉज दे आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. इक्वेशन रिक्वायर्ड लाइन पासिंग थ्रू दिस पॉइंट. दिस रिक्वायर्ड लाइन पासिंग थ्रू 5a point means 5 minus 6, having slope 3/2. then we are using slope point form. एक स्लोप दिया है एंड पॉइंट दिया है, तो स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म हम यूज करेंगे, दैट इज y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. here we are putting value of x1 and y1 and slope, that is -6, 5 and 3/2. so minus minus plus, and here 2 is multiplied by divided here, so going that side multiply, and 3 multiplied by x and 3 multiplied by -5, so 15. now again here 2 multiplied by y and 2 multiplied by 6, so 12, and here positive, so going opposite side to negative, so and here -15, so going +15 and minus 3x. now we are take multiply by minus sign, so plus 3x minus 2y and minus 27. इसकी एडिशन आएगी 27, so that minus 27. the equation of a line parallel to this line 3x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0 passing through the point 5 minus 6 is 3x minus 2y minus 27 is equal to 0. this line is parallel to this line. Second, find the equation of a line passing through point 3 minus 2 and perpendicular to the line x divided by 3 plus y divided by 4 is equal to 1. अभी फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ अ लाइन पासिंग थ्रू पॉइंट. अभी हमको एक लाइन फाइंड करनी है जो पासिंग थ्रू वन पॉइंट है एंड दे आर परपेंडिकुलर टू वन लाइन दैट इज x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. So this is a given line, given equation of line L is equal to 3x x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. So this is a given line and perpendicular, these are perpendicular to the line that is the L required line and A is any point on the required line and they are perpendicular. So now this line we are this equation multiply by 12. So here 12 divided by 3 multiply by x plus 12 divided by 4 multiply by x and 1 multiply by 12, so giving 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. Now finding the slope of a line L1 means m1 is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y, means minus 4 divided by 3, so m1 is minus 4 divided by 3. The slope of a required line is equal to m2. Now we know that required line is a perpendicular to the above line. Required line is a perpendicular है given lines है. So we know that m1 multiplied by m2 is equal to minus 1. So m1 is minus 4 by 3 and m2 is this is the slope of a required line is equal to minus 1. Now they are multiplied by this, so going opposite side, so divide होगा तो हम उल्टा लिखेंगे. m2 is equal to minus 1 multiplied by 3 by minus 4, so minus get cancelled, so m2 is 3 by 4. The slope of a required line is m2 is equal to 3 by 4. My required line is having slope m2 is equal to 3 by 4 and passing through point 3 2. This required line, अभी हम इस required line का slope मिल गया and 1 point given दिया हुआ है. So form slope point form, अभी वो form यूज करेंगे slope point वाला. So y minus y1 is equal to m2 x minus x1. Now we are putting value of y1 and x1, y plus 2 and what is the value of m2, that is 3 by 4 and x minus 3. Now here 4 divides, so multiply by y plus 2, so 4 multiply by y plus 2 and here 3 multiply by x and 3 multiply by minus 3, so giving minus 9 and 4 multiply by y and 4 multiply by 2, so 4y plus 8 and these are going opposite side, they get sign are change, so minus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now here 9 plus 8 means 17. Now we are multiplied by minus sign, so here x is plus, so 3x minus 4y minus 8 and minus 9 and minus we get addition, so minus 17. So required equation of a line is 3x minus 4y minus 17 is equal to 0. Find the equation of a line through this point and perpendicular to a joining these 2 points. Means the perpendicular to joining, ये वो perpendicular है टू लाइन को, जो लाइन है ये इस 2 पॉइंट को join है. Means show in figure, see A and B are joining one line and they are perpendicular to required line. ये हमको ये लाइन का इक्वेशन हमें फाइंड करना है, वो परपेंडिकुलर है इस लाइन में. हमें फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन पासिंग थ्रू दिस पॉइंट. ये पॉइंट दिया हुआ है, उसमें से एक लाइन जा रही है, उसका हमें इक्वेशन फाइंड करना है और वो इक्वेशन परपेंडिकुलर है इस लाइन को और वो लाइन ये 2 पॉइंट को इंटरसेक्ट करती है, मीन्स ज्वाइन करती है. Now given point A and B means this is A and this is B. So A is a 1 3 and B is a 2 7. So A x1 y1 and B is a x2 y2, and here P is a required line point. P is a x1 dash and x2 dash is minus 4 and minus 3. Equation of a line AB is a equation of line. This is a AB. Now by 2-point form, using 2-point form, y minus y1 divided by, because here 2 point, so using 2-point form, y minus y1 divided by y1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x1 minus x2. Now we are putting value of x1 y1 x2 y2. These y minus 3 divided by 3 minus 7 is equal to x minus 1 divided by 1 minus 3 is minus 4 and minus 1. Now here minus and get cancelled. Now this 4 multiplied by x minus 1, so 4x minus 4 and y minus 3. Now these y minus 3 going opposite side to get minus sign, or the sign are changed. So 4x minus 4 minus y and plus 3. Here minus 4 and plus 3, so get a difference, means subtract होगा. So minus 1, 4x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. We get equation number 1. Now slope of m means, अभी slope हम इस लाइन का slope फाइंड करेंगे. Slope of m1 is इस लाइन का slope है minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y, 4 divided by minus 1. Here minus 4 divided by minus 1 means 4. m1 is equal to 4. Now since required line is a passing through minus 4 3 and is perpendicular to the line L1, वो लाइन पास थ्रू हो रही है इस पॉइंट से एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू द गिवन लाइन को वो परपेंडिकुलर कर रही है. सो वी नो दैट परपेंडिकुलर है मीन्स m1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय m2 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 बाय यूजिंग दिस वन. सो m2 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 डिवाइडेड बाय m1 is equal to minus 1 by 4. Equation of the required line passing through this point minus 4 minus 3 and having slope minus 1 4. हमको point and slope मिला है, तो slope point form यूज करेंगे. slope point form y minus y1 dash is equal to m x minus x1 dash, that is a minus 3 and minus 4 and m is a minus 1 by 4. Now 4 are multiply here and minus here, so minus 1 multiplied by x and minus 1 multiplied by 4 and 4 multiplied by y and 4 multiplied by 3, 4y plus 12 minus 1 means minus x minus 4. Now this term coming outside, so sign are changed. So x means plus x plus 4y plus 12 plus 4, so 12 plus 4 means 16, x plus 4y plus 16 is equal to 0. The required equation of line is x plus 4y plus 16 is equal to 0. This is the required equation, means ये line की ये equation है. Find the equation of a perpendicular bisector of the line joining the point A and B. Means bisector means वो परपेंडिकुलर है, एक लाइन को परपेंडिकुलर करती है तो दोनों साइड इक्वल होती है, तभी उसको हम बाइसेक्टर बोलते हैं. वो बाइसेक्ट करती है एक लाइन को. जब वो बाइसेक्ट करती है तो जिस लाइन को जो वो बाइसेक्ट करती है वो दोनों लाइन इक्वल में डिवाइड करती है, उसको हम बाइसेक्टर बोलते हैं. गिवन पॉइंट A and B is x1 y1 and B is x2 y2 minus 2 3 8 minus 1. Here are required line, ये हमको लाइन फाइंड करनी है. Another line, they are bisect A and B line, so they are equally divided. तो ये जितना अंतर रहेगा वही ये भी अंतर सेम ही रहेगा. So they are bisector. Now here M is a midpoint. This is called as x bar and y bar. So let M x bar y bar be the midpoint of a segment AB. Is the segment AB का midpoint है. So by using midpoint formula, m is equal to x1 plus y1 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Here x1 is minus 2 and y2 is 8 and y1 is 3 and y2 is minus 1. So we are putting the value these. So minus 2 plus 8 means 6 and 1 minus 3 minus 1 is 2. Here value is 1 and 6 by 2 means 3. So midpoint is 3, 1. Since required line is a perpendicular bisector of a line AB which passing through a midpoint A, M means 3, 2. ये line है perpendicular bisector है and passing through point midpoint, that is M, 3, 1. M2 with the slope of a perpendicular bisector. M2 is a perpendicular bisector, means M2 is equal to minus 1 by M. We know that this is a condition of perpendicular line. We know that line perpendicular होती है, means दोनों लाइन का स्लोप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो -1 आता है. सो m2 is equal to, by using this formula we take m2 is equal to minus 1 by m1, meaning my m2 is equal to minus 1 divided by m2. अभी हम m1 का स्लोप निकालेंगे, मीन्स फर्स्ट लाइन का जो ये लाइन दी होगी उसका स्लोप फाइंड करेंगे. नाउ टू फर्स्ट फाइंड दिस स्लोप ऑफ अ line AB is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here minus 3, minus 1 minus 3, 8 minus minus 2, here minus plus, so 10 and minus 4 by 10, that is a minus 2 by 5. So m1 is a minus 2 by 5 and m2 is a 1 minus 1 by m1, so minus 2 by 5. Then opposite side उल्टा होगा, so 5 by 2 and minus minus plus, so m2 is equal to 5 by 2. Now equation required perpendicular bisector passing through point 3, 5 and have a slope is 5 by 2. अभी slope and point मिल गया, so using slope point form y minus y1 is equal to m2 x minus x1. We will here put x1 and y1 value and slope means m2. So y minus 1 5 by 2 x minus 3. Now here to multiply this and 5 multiply by x and 5 multiply by minus 3. So 2y minus 2 5x minus 15. Now this side coming outside, so sign are change. 5x minus 15 minus 2y plus 2, then minus 15 plus 2 means minus 13. So 5x minus 2y minus 30 is equal to 0. So this required equation of a perpendicular bisector is 5x minus 2y minus 13 is equal to 0. This is the equation of perpendicular line. Find the equation of a line through this point 12 minus 4 and whose sum of a intercept is equal to 10. मीन्स अभी सम दिया है इंटरसेप्ट का, मीन्स x इंटरसेप्ट प्लस y इंटरसेप्ट इज इक्वल टू 10. हियर x intercept given, x intercept plus y intercept is equal to 10. Here not a 0, is a 10. So means a plus b is equal to 10 because summation of interception is equal to 10. That is a given. So we take here equation 1 and point भी दिया है 12 and minus 4 and point A is the x1 y1 is equal to 12 minus 4. The equation of a line in टू इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म, अभी हम टू इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म का इक्वेशन यूज करेंगे. दैट इज द x डिवाइडेड बाय a प्लस y डिवाइडेड बाय इज इक्वल टू 1. नाउ वी पुट वैल्यू ऑफ a एंड b, बट a एंड b की वैल्यू हमको नहीं मिली है. सो बाय यूजिंग इक्वेशन 1 वी गेट a इज इक्वल टू 10 माइनस b बिकॉज ऑफ b हेयर प्लस, सो गोइंग ऑपोजिट साइड, सो माइनस b, तो a इज इक्वल टू 10 minus b using from equation number 1. So x divided by 10 minus b plus y divided by b is equal to 1. Now here this term multiply and divide b multiply numerator and b multiply by denominator, and in this one multiply 10 minus b numerator and denominator also multiply by 10 minus b. So both denominator are common both side, so take addition. So 10 minus b multiply by b, so bx, here multiply by b, so bx, and here multiply by 10 minus b, so y multiply by 10 minus b. Now these are divide here, so going opposite side, so they are multiply. So bx plus 10 minus by is equal to 10 b multiply by b. We take here equation number 2. Since line passing through this point 12 minus 4, coordinate of a point must satisfy the equation of a line. Here put x is equal to 12 and y is equal to minus 4 in equation number 2. Because of line passing through point D, so x is equal to 12 and y is equal to minus 4. We putting in this equation. So here b, x is 12, 10 minus 4, and y is a minus 4. We are putting, so 12b, 4 multiplied by 10 14, and 4 multiplied by b minus plus 4b. Now here b multiplied by 10 and again b multiplied by b square minus b square. Now these one are coming opposite side, so sign are change. Here plus b square 12 plus 12b minus 10b plus 4b minus 14. Now take addition, 4b minus 4b minus 10b plus 12b gives 6b, means 12 plus 4 means 16 minus 10 means 6b. So b square plus 6b is equal to 14. अभी हमको फैक्टराइजेशन करना होगा. सो हमको अभी 40 की वैल्यू चाहिए, कैसे मिलेगी? 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 मीन्स 40, बट हमको माइनस 40 चाहिए. सो 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस 4 गिविंग माइनस 40, माइनस 4 लिए तो प्लस 6 आ जाएगी. उसके एडिशन की तो 10 माइनस 4 इज इक्वल टू 6. सो इट इज़ पॉसिबल. सो वी राइट हियर b square is equal to minus 4b plus 10b is equal minus 40 is equal to 0. So now in this one common b outside, b minus 4, and here 10 outside, 10 b minus 4. Now here b minus 4 are common, take outside b minus 4 and remaining part is b plus 10. So b plus 10 right here. Now b minus 4 is equal to 0 or b plus 10 is equal to 0. Here b is equal to 4 and b is equal to minus 4. But negative sign we can neglective. So neglecting negative sign. So b is equal to 4. So b की वैल्यू 4 हो जाएगी. Now putting b is equal to 4 in equation number 1 means a plus b is equal to 10. इसमें हम b की वैल्यू रखेंगे that is 4. So a plus b means 4 is equal to 10 means a is equal to 6. 4 minus हो जाएगा, so 10 minus 4 is 6. So a is equal to 6. Now भी दोनों वैल्यू इक्वेशन में रखेंगे. मेन इक्वेशन में इक्वेशन ऑफ अ लाइन, दैट इज इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन x divided by a plus y divided by b is equal to 1. a is a 6 and b is a 4. So x divided by 6 plus y divided by 4 is equal to 1. Now multiply by 12 on both sides. 12 divided by 6 multiply by x, and here 12 divided by 4 multiply by y is equal to 12 multiplied by 1. So giving 2 by x plus 3y is equal to 12. Equation of a line with same intercepting 10 and passing through point 12 minus 4 is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. That is the equation.